Hi everyone, today's Agent for Agenda is all about customer support. Now let's explore how to deliver exceptional services and build strong customer relationships. Today we will discuss the topic Use Case Automated FAQ Agent for Customer Support. In this topic, we will cover case tracking and case escalation for order tracking. Now, case tracking means if someone wants to check their cases, they can do that by using Salesforce Agent. The user needs to provide their email ID, and based upon the email ID provided by the user, the system will check any related cases or accounts that exists. If found, the case will be shown in the user interface. Also, if a user wants to escalate the case to the next level or if they are unhappy with the current case owner, they can simply escalate it. We have added these two features in our agent. Besides that, we have also included order tracking. Now, in this order tracking system, if someone places an order online or elsewhere, they can check the status of their order using this specific Salesforce agent. It shows where the product is currently located and whom they need to contact in order to receive it. This information is easily accessible through our Salesforce agent. Now let's have a quick look at that. The customer support includes order tracking, case management, case tracking, and case escalation. These are the key features we have added by interacting with our agent. Now let's see how it works in the real world. This is the agent we have developed for demonstrating this topic. I am going to open an agent now. For this agent, I have created a topic called Case and Order Information. We have added several instructions on the left side of the screen for the agent to follow. Now let's have a look at how user can retrieve information related to their case. I will type a simple prompt message. Example, I want to track my case. Upon sending this case, the agent will ask for user's email ID. Now let's proceed further by entering my email ID. The agent will now check if there is any account linked to the provided email. If there is, it will find the related case information that are still open. In my example, I have one open case and its details are displayed on the screen. Now imagine if this case was created a long time ago, but it remains unresolved. And if you want to escalate this case, you can do that. For example, I want to escalate this case to the next level to get it resolved faster. I will type a simple prompt saying, I want to escalate this case. When I enter this prompt, the agent will assign this respective case to a new person. Now, upon refreshing the screen, you will receive a notification by an email. The case assignment notification is now displayed on the screen. The message will be starting with Dear Edge Connection, which is the case name account in this case. The message displayed on the screen says that the case is now assigned to Tyagarajan, who will now work to resolve the case within the next 24 business hours. This means the case owner has changed in our system using the agent. Now, if a user wants to track their order, I will simply enter the track order prompt. The agent will again ask for your email ID. After you provide your email ID, the agent will check if there are any undelivered orders. It will look for the orders that are still on the way. If it finds any, it will display the details of the product on the screen. For example, an Apple laptop with status in transit and current location is Pune. That means the product is now in Pune. It will also show a mobile number. This mobile number belongs to the delivery agent carrying the product. So you can contact and get information related to your order. All this information provided here can be customized based upon what a user needs. Now this covers everything about our topic. We have organized and added features in the three main areas. case management, case tracking, case escalation, or order tracking. Thanks for watching. To learn more or get in touch about Salesforce Agentforce, email or contact us using the details provided on the screen. Please leave your questions in the comment. We are here to help and build smarter and safer AI solutions. Thank you all. See you in the next video.